there, my name is Sunny Grigorova. I'm a realtor and I'm super excited to share with you today about the house I'm listing right in Shandon. And if you are from Colombia, you don't need to hear more. And if you're from out of town, I will tell you that Shandon is living in the heart of the city and at the same time having a wonderful neighborhood feel. So we are close, we are downtown, we are close to all the cool stuff: dining, shopping, entertainment, 5 Points, the University of South Carolina, the stadium, Divine Street, what else? You know it, in the heart of the city and at the same time in a quiet neighborhood. So I will show you in a moment what's inside the house, but one of the best things we love in Shandon is just to look at this amazing magnolia tree, and it's huge. And I will show you more in a second. All right, so we are back and let's just take a peek at this gorgeous blooming humongous magnolia tree. And let's walk. We'll see the backyard first. There we are. You have large space to park several cars if needed to be. Here are the trees of your backyard. And over there you have a nice house to store any yard stuff you may have. Okay, so let's go in, take a look. So we are back in the house and looking what's in front of the house. Beautiful houses around, quiet, birds, people running in the morning, walking to shopping. Publix is just a minute away. And here is the front of our house. So let's walk in and see what's inside. I love this house because compared to the most houses in this area, it is very affordable. It has, and at the same time, it has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. So this is our living area, and let's walk in. Nice display and storage, and here's our kitchen. Refrigerator stays, nice stove, and here is your washer and dryer. We are looking to the backyard over here again, and here's our first bathroom. We have shower, toilet, full bathroom. And then we move to the first bedroom. It is looking at the backyard as well. Let's move, just a quick tour for you, and you will see all the pictures as well. Here is the second bedroom, and the bedrooms are very nice size. Certainly can hold queen beds. And here is the third bedroom. Okay, and over here is our second bathroom, and everything, if you're noticing, and the shower. Okay, if you're noticing, the house is freshly painted and with brand new hardwood floors. Everything the seller has done a pre-inspection, pre-listing inspection, and everything that needed to be done is fixed. So you have a truly walk in and live tomorrow house. All right.